What's up, y'all? In today's video I'll be teaching you how to get your own modded avatars. So not the public ones that are in packs, but let's say like maybe you find a rare avatar on an account and it's a PS3 avatar. This is how you would get it off the account and turn it into a modded avatar that you can use on any account. First of all, the requirements to do this is firstly an account that owns the PS3 avatars that you want. You'll also need a PS3 that's CFW or HEN, and you'll also need a couple programs as well. So the programs you'll need are rifconv, hex editor, TrueAncestor's Edat rebuilder, and the PSN avatar viewer. This one right here, this isn't necessary. However, I would highly recommend it because it helps you organize your avatars better since it takes the Edats and makes them into pictures. I'll see you guys on the PS3. Alright, so now when you're on your PS3, all you have to do is sign into the account that has the avatars on them, and make sure you note down what user it's on. So mine is 4509. I have it written down right here. And when you log into the account, you'll go to account management, then transaction management, and download list. And in here will be all the avatars, or really anything that's a PS3 download will be here, which also includes your avatars. So the ones that I want to download from here, I'll do this one and the one right under it as an example. So now once you have the avatars downloaded, they'll be in your PS3 file system, and I can show that real quick. So let me sign out and go to multi-man. Alright, now on multi-man, you can go to file manager, MMOS. I actually already have it open, but I'll go back to show you. So in your PS3 root, this applies the same if you're FTPing the files over, which is what I'll be doing. So in your root, they'll be in dev_hdd0, then in the home folder, then the user. Mine is 4509. That's the one I downloaded the avatars on. And in here, you'll need two folders. These folders are the PSN_avatar folder and the xdata folder. I'll see you guys back over on the PC so I can transfer. Now that we're back over on the PS3, I'll go to that same folder I was on my PS3 a second ago. And I'm going to copy over the PSN avatar and the xdata folder onto my PC. And now before we continue, you need to have your PlayStation 3's console ID on hand. I have mine in this file, but I'm gonna show you how to make that real quick. So open up hex editor. When you have it open up, create a new file, and in this file you're going to paste your console ID. Whoops, don't have the right thing pasted. Let me see. Sorry about this. So this isn't my actual console ID, but I'm just using this to show it as an example. So you'll copy your console ID, go back into hex editor, and then paste it into this left area right here. Not this right area where it says decoded text. Make sure you're in the left area, and when you paste it in, you'll probably get a pop-up asking to confirm because you're changing the file size, and just press OK on that. Once you've done that, you're gonna save the file, and when you save it, you'll name it as idps. However, I'm not going to save mine because I already have my real console ID in an idps file, so I'll just exit out of here for now. And once you have that set up, you can open the rifconv folder. Then in here, you want to run rifconv.exe. Then in here is where we'll be using the idps. So right here where my mouse is, where it says idps, I'm not sure if you can see that. Then you press open. And go to where you have your idps file. Click on it, then press open. Then under that we have the act.dat file, where my mouse is. We're gonna open, and to get the act.dat file, this is what you got from your PS3. It's gonna be inside the xdata folder. Then finally for the riffs, this will be the xdata folder as a whole. So press open and select the entire xdata folder and press OK. Then press create. Now you'll have some wrap files, and these wrap files are necessary for this, and they'll be inside of this folder right here called created_wraps inside the rifconv folder. So you're gonna copy these 2 wrap files, or however many you have. Then open up TrueAncestor's Edat rebuilder folder. Open up the wraps folder and paste them in. Then you can go back out to the main folder. Now go to the PSN_avatar folder that you got from your PS3 and copy the Edat files. Then inside the Edat rebuilder folder, go into Edat, then paste in the Edat files. From here you can run the rebuilder.exe program. Right now we'll be using option 3 to fast rebuild the Edat, so type in the number 3, then press enter, then press A to rebuild all of them. Now for some reason mine gives me like some really weird error, although I've done everything right. I'm not sure why it does this. You might have this too, or you might not. However, for me, I have to do this 2 times for them to actually rebuild successfully. Like, it'll say it's successful right here after it gives me this stupid error, but I'll have to do it again. Alright, so now that it's done that, I have to do mine again like I said, so I'll press any key to continue and press A again. And this time it'll do them correctly. Now that they're done, you can exit out of this program, and your Edat files will now work on any account. So now I'm gonna test to make sure these files work, if it'll load up. So I'll copy them onto a different user on my PS3. So this time I'll be using this test user I made beforehand, PS_avatar, delete these, and paste the ones that I just made. Now I'll head over to the PS3. Alright, now that I'm back on the PS3, I'm gonna exit out of multi-man real quick. And I'll switch my user. now this is a whole different account, and when I go in and I put the avatars on, they should show up. So now right here, these are the 2 avatars I just got off my other account, and I can put them on with no issue. So yeah, that's how you do it. Now I'll be showing you how to make your Edat files into pictures. So once you already have your Edat files that work and you've checked that they work and you can put them on any account, you want to put those files back into here, or if they're already here, just keep them in there. Then open the rebuilder again, but this time we're not going to be choosing option 3, we're going to be choosing option 1 this time to decrypt them. Then press A again to do all of them. So once it's done decrypting them, you can exit out of this again. But now when you go back into this Edat folder, you're gonna notice that you don't just have the Edat files here like you did before. You now have both of these .dat files. And what these are used for is you drag these into the PSN avatar viewer, which I'm about to do. So let me make this a little smaller. So open up the PSN avatar viewer. And from here you can just drag them in and save them. What I personally like to do is copy the name of them first, then drag them in, then right click, save, and save the avatars. I'll do that with this one as well. Then I'll exit out. And now you can see I have previews for both the avatars I just made. So you can open them and everything. These are good files. And yeah, that's how it works. So all the avatars you see me do that I have on my website, I do this for every single one of them. And I'm still actually working on completing all the avatars I have, because it's actually a decent bit of work to do all of this. And yeah, so this just makes it a whole lot easier for if you're doing avatars for yourself or someone else and you don't feel like going through an entire pack to find one single avatar, which is very annoying. What you'll do instead is just get the name of this avatar and copy the name, and then find it in your system and drag it onto the user instead of checking through an entire pack. I hope this helped anyone who's looking to learn how to get into avatars, and thank you for watching.